Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. So this is Zach here from XIFU. So first of all, thank you for joining me in this section. So if you are here with me this morning, make sure you please help me to click the like buttons for me. Tap one for me. Okay, my sound and screen is working. All right. So again, a quick disclaimer over here. In this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks that we discussed in this morning, make sure your own trading plan. All right. So if not, just get advice from professional. Okay. So again, market is still volatile. Direction is still not clear yet. So again, if you feel that you are not comfortable with current market situation, I think it's okay. You try to avoid first. Okay. This is what I do currently. Okay, until a clear directions show in the chart, so that we can actually be more prepared. Okay, later on. All right. So, all right, we're gonna start our sections by looking into the overall direction indices. Again, what is the thing that we should expect? Again, if you got any stocks you want me to take a look, you can actually comment below as well. Okay, so probably can discuss and probably share together. All right. So, okay, now let's get into KLCI first. FBM KLCI. Okay, so again, a crucial gaps, but today still haven't crossed yet. Okay, so if you look into yesterday, I think US market, they also dropped. Well, as expected, KLCN normally will follow. Okay, but so far I still think okay lah, still calm lah, still calm lah. But calm market also a bit scary because sometimes towards the afternoon you will have some volatility coming up. So like I say, it's still calm, remain calm. Okay, nothing much actually. Uh, but still, okay, still, I think I prefer to see a clear direction first. Okay, now yesterday, few counter actually trying to change gaps. Okay, some actually able to cross the gaps. Okay, so again, a good sign for those counters. Today is the counters to see if, let's say, your counters actually cross the gaps. I think it's good time for you to check is the stock actually hold well on the gaps or not. Okay, especially today is a down days, right? So again, here is the area that maybe you want to see how actually the prices react. Okay, we don't want to see some shooting star over here. Hopefully, a clean follow through is good. All right, okay, take a look into Notion. I will do so. Okay, so if you got any stock, you just let me know. Probably today I also got nothing much. Okay, because market still macam still a bit quiet like I can say. Yesterday, yes, it goes up, but few things that I actually don't like to see is that the low volume in certain counters. Okay, low volume going up normally for me is not a very strong signal. So that's why I still be a little bit careful on this current market here. Okay, now we look into some this is pure counters that actually have been falling lately, okay, or all this while. Okay, just that I didn't enter because the stock is going into a strong uptrend. Probably now is a good chance opportunities. Okay, but like I said, they actually at the gap right now. Okay, so I still feel that not so comfortable. Okay, to enter. And the other thing is that if you notice the volume still low. Okay, so normally I don't like to see when the price going into gaps, but with low volume. So representing that maybe I'm not sure. Okay, the follow through might not happen soon. Okay, so again, we will see how it goes for today. Okay, so there's KGB. Other than that, I think SKP resources. Let's try. This is some of the few of my old counters. So I was also looking for a chance for re-entry again. All right, so today also following the Bursa, going down lower. Okay, so far okay lah. So kumpulan 1%, this is KWSP lah, I believe. They acquired ABRDN also, they acquired. Okay, yesterday, based on yesterday data over here. So of course, EPF is selling. Okay, EPF is selling. EPF lah, employee providing funds is selling. Okay, so again, some of the things or clue that actually can look into. Okay, whether the insider buy and sell is going on. CB is interesting. Okay, CB is interesting. I think we know that the boss itself is selling. Okay, over here. Okay, Misty. Okay, Misty is selling heavily, including yesterday as well. Okay, but heard that someone is acquiring now. I'm not sure whether it will publish or not later on. Of course, all this actually will pick up from official Bursa announcement. So the reason why I put it here because it's that it's easier for me to see what's going on? What's the reaction after all this insider buy and sell? Sometimes insider buy and sell can happen later on. Like for example, if you look into AGX, right? Okay, I think previously I should also share some of the insider buy and sell stocks and what's the impact. And for example, here you got lots of activity. Okay, you can notice the downtrend actually started to change to sideways already before they go into uptrend. So maybe the accumulation already done this part already. Okay, so do remember accumulation take times one. It won't like today I buy, tomorrow I shoot up. Okay, so sometimes it will take months of so-called sideways range before they goes up. So well, if let's say a specific period of time got lots of activities, it's also good to pay attention to. But you include setup lah. So sometimes what I do is that I will include insider buy and sell. Okay, plus setups. Okay, so what it means by setup is that I see lots of insider buy already. I see pullback or breakout. Then maybe it's a good time for you to maybe watch out. Okay, discount this. All right. If let's say lots of selling, okay, if let's say the stock break below support or break below the strength candles, then also is a sign for you to watch out. Okay, hey, is anyone selling or not? Is anyone taking profits or not? Okay, so this you can use that actually for your so-called to improve a little bit on your decision making. All right. So okay, any other things? I think CEB is the one that actually is exciting yesterday because of the high volume, and today actually still hold well. Okay, one thing is we wanted to see if let's say you are interested in CEB. All right. So climatic volume yesterday actually also telling me that potentially there is a strength back holding. So of course, I probably gonna wait until end of this week. Today's Thursday already. Okay, maybe Friday or next Monday. If still holding well above the this candle over here, which is just a candle, I think maybe it's worth to look into it also. Okay. I will say, where do I learn how to put this inside the cell and other features in the X chart? Okay. Of course, you can actually go to the web, okay, web version. Okay, but again, web version and apps version, different subscriptions. Okay, so of course, web version will be more pricey. If not, you go to the mobile version. Okay, so mobile version actually is only 20 ringgit per month. You can access the X chart. Okay, you go to the individual stocks. You click on the icon, the mobile icon. Okay, moving forward, we'll put the X charts there so easy for you to find. Okay, you go to mobile X chart already. So you click here. Okay, here got one so-called news, right? NEWS. Okay, so you click here. So you click, you can able to see the pullback indicators with the insider buy and sell also. Okay, so you should able have this also in your mobile version. Okay, with of course with a subscription of 20 ringgit per month, including live data. Okay, this to answer adverts. Okay. So all right, okay, probably I will go into your stock first. If let's say we got any other things that come into our mind, then we review again. Do let me know any stock you looking into as well. Comments below there. I don't have much thing to be frank. Okay, so I just probably look into your stock. If got any interesting, probably I just we study from there. Okay. Now, yes, Notion is a bit disappointing. I always thought that Notion is going to hold well also. Because previously the support is around this area over here. Okay, you actually also can add this support resistance, the one I'm using all this while. But the reason why now I remove why, okay, because it's not currently for me, the market condition is not that relevant anymore. Okay, because my support resistance, okay, is actually aiming for so-called short terms. Okay, looking into the past 30 to 60 days, and provided they are in a trend. Okay, because right now most of the stock actually break below 2040s already. So there's a reasons why I don't use this support resistance anymore, because for me it doesn't make sense. Okay, why? When they break below, technically your risk to reward is good one, because why they break below support, right? Or maybe they are close to support, they are far away from resistance. So I don't think this is a good trade. Okay, if purely based on risk to reward. Okay, because this is just because potentially they go into downtrend. So that's why right now I don't really use SR anymore. Okay, because my SR, first of all, is looking into shorter term time frame. Okay, it's within 30 days to 60 days time frame. Okay. Second, they have to in a trend. Okay, which means they are above 2040s, then it works better for you. All right. So right now, for me, I just going to use the support previous support resistance. Okay, to pass maybe more than 60 days to check where is the locations right now. Okay. Now for me, Notions, yeah, like I said, it's a bit disappointing. Break below the previous S1. This is a good S1 actually. Volume is increasing. Okay, but yesterday is a hammer lah. So this hammer over here, hopefully they will hold. Okay, hopefully they will hold. All right. So what I plan to do is that Notion, I plan to wait for the shakeout. Okay, if let's say break over this area here with increasing volume, probably this is a good chance for good setup. Okay, to tell us that buyers are still keen. Okay, operators still keen, and likely they're going to challenge this resistance. Okay, so over here, if you're really keen, okay, this is the hammer candles with some volume. Okay, you have to use this candle here as your so-called stop loss point or your support point. Okay, support level. Okay, if you're really keen in Notion at the moment. Okay, so all right, next one will be HSSEB. Hey, this one surprisingly quite good. Okay, okay, this one is high volume lah. Okay, at the 40 MA, pullback completed yesterday. Okay, notice over here, and actually the drop. Okay, on the other day, which is on Monday, the drop come with low volume. Okay, I didn't really actually aware. Okay, this one actually a bit similar NTEX. But of course, NTEX today, I think they got some bonus issue. That's why the price split, right? So later on, probably wait for the price to adjust. I got to read the chart again. But so far, HSSEB is pretty good. Okay, I noticed that now it is HSSEB lah. Affin, okay, I'm not sure how is Affin doing, but today, okay, but yesterday before I go for my appointment around 3 p.m., I think still good. And NTEX, okay, this two actually is still pretty strong. Okay, so well, if you notice over here, this is the previous so-called reaccumulation zone. Okay, which I'm shake out as well below support level, and looks like they are testable. Okay, looks like they're testable. Okay, so of course there are those that who want to save for one because now current market condition is not that healthy, not that great overall. You can always try at the previous support level, which is previous resistance, which is now at the support level. Okay, 110 lah. Okay, 110 area, or maybe slightly higher a bit lah. Few cent, I think it's fine lah. Right? Probably you can try that out again. Not asking you, not doing buy and sell call out, but just that so far, this is one of the stocks that I feel that come with a slightly nicer setup, okay, compared to the others. Okay, the rest is like feel like a bit tricky lah. Okay, like I say, I don't like to trade at the gaps, okay, because anything can happen. Okay, bull and bear is fighting into this area over here, so it's a bit difficult to tell. Okay, now the bull is coming back, or the other things is coming. Okay. So, all right, this is HSSEB. Any other stock you want me to look into? Okay, I got nothing much. Okay, so if let's say my pullback signal over here, SY Group, okay, this one rebound nicely, close the gap. Okay, one of the few yesterday stock that actually closed the gap. Wait, still strong. Okay, this one okay lah. Okay, pay attention. Maybe you want to aim for the resistance. Okay, I'm not sure, but close gap is a good sign. Okay, close gap is a good sign. So right now, what I do is that I will plan to wait for the stocks to actually close gap. Okay, and normally, okay, what they do is that sometimes they will retest a little bit somewhere around here. Okay, before they try to push again, right? Because the resistance is still there, market is still weak. Okay, so sometimes they'll wait for a while. Okay, so but yes, SY Group worth to look into. P-Glove, okay, I think P-Glove also, because P-Glove the other day, if you notice also the other day when it dropped on Monday, it didn't drop badly. It still hold well around the 40 MA, and volume yes is increasing, but it's not that high. It's not the high. It's not the climatic. So P-Glove, wow, here big resistance. But it's a going type lah. So if you want it, okay lah. If you want some excitement, okay. So yes, G-Shen, I think nothing much lah. G-Shen, G-Shen also not bad. G-Shen also not bad. Okay, G-Shen, we got a shakeout here. Okay, here like a shakeout. Okay, pushing back. It's currently holding well. Okay, currently holding well. Okay, so G-Shen, I think one of the also one of the few stocks that actually still hold well support. Okay, so G-Shen, SY Group. Okay, let me write down first. Sometimes I also forgot. Okay, Sendai, Sendai is still okay. Let me check Sendai. Okay, do let me know any stock you want me to look into. Today nothing much also. Only so far there are few yeah lah, G-Shen, SY Group, I think AGX, but AGX close to resistance lah. Okay, this one also, maybe I want to see how they actually break back to the 2040s. Okay, because the green basket come with low volume lah. So green bar come with low volume, normally I will stay away first. See how is the overall direction. Like HSSEB is quite direct. You can see the up bar come with volume one. Okay, so Mr. DIY. Okay, probably we do last one, Mr. DIY. Okay, any other stocks? You just let me know. If not, we're going to close these sections. Okay, wow, also holding well. Lots of buy and sell, but I think this is EPF lah. This is one of the EPF counters. So okay, again, if let's say EPF, normally I don't really bother because uh, most of the time I think EPF is not the market operator. So the reasons why I include this is that I want to see any so-called operators or not. Okay, from this chart alone. Okay, so all right, Mr. DIY. Okay, right now they are still holding on around the 40 MA. Again, one of the strong counters in this mid market. Okay, I think this is Monday. Monday pushback to support and hammer. Okay, I think so far so good for Mr. DIY. So again, not sure looking for entry exit. So far no weakness. Okay, again, juggle the support level. That's the most important thing. Okay, the support level that I show right now. Okay, let's look into ECMO. ECMO also breaks support, a bit disappointing. Okay, so today, again at the gaps. Okay, crucial. So look, Gary looking for EP. Actually, I'm looking for re-entry also for ECMO because I still believe that they got so-called opportunities. Okay. Now, few reasons why. Now, again, if you look over here, this is a strong support level. Okay, previous gap up, turn to support. Okay, here, gap down. Okay, so which been selling pressures definitely on Monday. But one good thing is that if you look into this chart, Monday come with low volume. Okay, the drop come with low volume compared to this all this volume over here. Okay, so this is one of the so-called good sign. Okay, but shakeout yet to complete. I believe this is a potential shakeout. Okay, but shakeout yet to complete. Okay, so probably what I'm going to do is that wait for them to cross back to support. Okay, then chances for them to retest is higher. All right. Now the reasons why I don't buy here because some people says that okay, you buy here, your risk is lower because you get a cheaper price and the rule is good. Okay, which is correct. Okay, but sometimes when you buy here, you have to wait for them to do shakeout complete, and shakeout can take around a few months. Sometimes sometimes weeks. The fastest is few weeks. Or maybe less than a week. The longest one it can take like 2-3 months. Okay, or sometimes what they do is that they will retest lower. Okay, they will potentially retest lower. Okay, so another reason why sometimes I want to wait for shakeout completes. Okay, to ensure that okay at least I don't need to wait that long for them to try the resistance. Okay. So okay, ECMA definitely worth to pay attention to. Okay, again, put your alerts. All right. So for XIFU apps, okay, you actually can put your alerts. Okay, into the apps, it will alert you real time, provided you got the subscription to doing it. So again, what you do is that you can actually add your stock portfolio as well into XIFU app. So moving forward, if let's say there's got any announcement like insider buy seller or some corporate announcement, okay, it will alert you through XIFU app also. So I think today one of the stock that I added, FFB, okay, FFB, yeah, got some announcement coming in. So sometimes yeah, you can use that actually to help you to monitor your stock further. Okay, now last one before we close, we look into BWYS. But BWYS again is a new IPO stocks. Okay, I cannot really tell based on these few candles over here. So what I do, I go into the hourly chart. But based on this, no setups. Okay, based on this, no setups. Okay, because here is the so-called period support market down, period support. Right now, no much of the setup Avis. So I'm not sure Avis you're looking for entry exit, but entry wise I cannot see anything yet. Maybe because it's a new IPO stock, I cannot tell. But based on what we can see right now, no trend. Okay, and you notice the volume is also low. Okay, which means no reversal yet. Okay, unless you want to buy bottom, you wait for the high volume like CEB. Okay, again, ask you to buy CEB. I also takut one. Because I still haven't entered yet. I plan to enter maybe somewhere next week. Okay, I will probably wait for another one more candle first to check the overall so-called whether it's worth or not. Okay, to enter. Okay, but normally in one spread analysis technique, we call it VSA technique. Okay, climactic volume also represents there's a chance for the stock to make a change of trend. All right, something that probably I'll talk about in our upcoming courses. All right. So okay, with this, I think I will end my section here today. So once again, thank you for joining me. Unfortunately, market still calm. Okay, nothing much. Okay, hopefully later on towards the afternoon or after afternoon, we will see some excitement in the market, right? So if let's say got anything, I will definitely update in Telegram. If you get to join my Telegram, you can join now. Okay, I'm not sure. You can check it from my Facebook page. We got Telegram links over there, so that we can have more discussions. Okay, in the group. All right. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.